This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to insert and edit icons in rich text modules in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to add a little visual flair to your content or enhance your design with intuitive symbols, HubSpot makes it easy to integrate icons into your rich text modules. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this seamlessly. First, begin by accessing the rich text module where you want to insert the icon. Simply click inside any rich text module to activate the toolbar at the top of your screen. This toolbar is your gateway to a variety of editing tools, and today we'll focus on the icon tool, which will allow us to add and customize icons. Now, let's find that icon tool. It's typically represented by a star or flag symbol on the toolbar. If you're having trouble locating it, don't worry. Sometimes, depending on your screen size or toolbar configuration, it might be hidden under the More options represented by three dots. Go ahead and click on those dots, and you should see the icon option appear. Once you've found and selected the icon tool, it's time to choose your icon. HubSpot offers a built-in library of icons for you to browse through. Take your time scrolling through this library to find the perfect icon that fits your content's theme or messaging. Once you find one you like, simply click to insert it into your rich text module. After inserting the icon, you might want to make some adjustments to ensure it perfectly complements your content. Click on the icon to open the inline edit menu. This menu allows you to customize the icon's appearance to match your brand's aesthetic or the specific visual style you're aiming for. First, let's talk about color. HubSpot makes it easy to maintain brand consistency by allowing you to choose from your predefined brand kit colors. Select a color that aligns with your branding or the overall design of your content. This ensures that your icons not only stand out but also seamlessly blend with your existing color scheme. Next, we have the size. Icons in HubSpot are vector-based, meaning they can be resized without losing quality. You can adjust the size using the slider in the edit menu or by entering a specific pixel value. This flexibility allows you to make your icons as subtle or as bold as needed while still retaining crisp and clear visuals. Once you've made your adjustments, be sure to save your changes. The updated icon will now be part of your rich text module, enhancing your content with its new look. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted and edited an icon in a rich text module within HubSpot. With these simple steps, you can easily incorporate icons to make your content more engaging and visually appealing. Experiment with different icons and styles to see what works best for your needs. Thanks for watching and happy editing.